Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. This is orange color, blue color, and this is green color. And what is this? This is yellow color. And what color is it? Brown color, pink color, black color, and this is violet color. Kids, in this video, we will trace capital letters A, B, C, and numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's trace. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. Orange color. C. C for cat. Purple color. D. D for duck. Yellow color. E. E for eagle. Sky blue color. F. F for fish. Brown color. G. G for goat. Numbers 1. O and E 1. 2. T W O 2. 3. T H R E E 3. 4. F O U R 4. Number 5. F I V E 5. Number 6. S I X 6. Number 7. S E V E N 7. Red color. Number 8. E I G H T 8. Pink color. Number 9. N I N E 9. Black color. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. Numbers 1. O and E 1. Number 2. T W O 2. Number 3. T H R E E 3. Number 4. F O U R 4. Number 5. F I V E 5. Number 6. S I X 6. Number 7. S E V E N 7. Number 8. E I G H T 8. Number 9. N I N E 9. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.